that could lead straight to the president.
I also want to bring in Matt Miller from Washington, former Justice Department spokesman and MSNBC justice and security analyst. From Alabama, former U.S. Attorney Joyce Vance, currently a law professor at the University of Alabama. Let me go to you, Joyce. And do you consider this to be a pretty foolproof case as well? How strong, as you read the indictment, do you see this case being?
I agree exactly with that analysis. Because this case is prepared based on documents, it's going to be a very difficult case for Manafort to rebut. And as we've just heard, really the only real defense, my accountant got it wrong, has been removed in the documents themselves. It's also very interesting, I think, to note that the two conspiracy counts indicate that they involve not just Manafort and Gates, but others. And prosecutors often use a linguistic device in a conspiracy charge where they say others known and unknown to the grand jury. We don't see that here, so it means that Manafort knows, or rather that Mueller knows precisely who was involved, and there may be other witnesses who could be flipped and used against Manafort. It's really, I think, a very forbidding environment for him to proceed without a plea deal.
Yeah, so what is the conversation, Matt Miller? We're going to hear from Paul Manafort's lawyer when he comes out in just a minute, but what's the conversation that you imagine he's having with his client?
Well, they're obviously trying to figure out what kind of a defense they can present, and if they don't have much of a defense,